Hi, and welcome to Physics 121 and 121H. I'm your professor, Dr. Chao-Shih. I want to welcome you in this video and also give you some introduction about this course so you get prepared what you're going to expect next week. I'm still working on the homepage, so if you log into the campus, this course probably is still unavailable, but I will make it available by Friday. So this course is a hybrid. That means part of the material is going to be online and some of the things they have to do on campus. And the thing they have to do on campus is actually you have to do the lab and also take the exam, which is on Monday on campus. Because of the situation of COVID-19, we cannot fit everyone in the same room at the same time. So when we do the lab, we have to separate people into two groups. The way we're going to separate people is going to have the honor section, the H section to be the first group. So you will come to the lab early afternoon starting from 2:30 to 4. For the regular section that you're going to start your lab at 4:30. For the honor section, you might have to come into the lab a little bit earlier because for each section that you require to use calculus to solve some of the problem, and we're going to use the time when you come to the lab. Just come into the lab like half hour earlier, and I will make announcement if necessary. So whenever you come to the lab, we wanted to minimize the risk to get infected. So put on the mask, wash your hand. We will take temperature and we will clean the setup when we have the transition. So we want to make sure that you're safe and you're healthy as our first priority. As for the course, as you can see on the screen, this is what the course website looks like. If you took 120 and 120H with me before, the textbook is going to be the same, and I will include this information in my email so you look at the email. We are going to do the homework online, so there's an online homework system. When you get into the website, click on this Macmillan Learning, and you will lead to the registration of the homework. Once this homework is open, which will happen before Friday, please click on this and register as soon as possible because you're going to have some assignment right away. So make sure that you click on this, and you can also purchase the textbook from there as well. There's a couple options you can buy. I would suggest just buy the bundle with the e-textbook, which is an electronic textbook, and also the online homework system. That will be the best deal for you. Then when you look at the homepage here, then we have several icons over here. I would suggest that whenever you come into the class or go into our website, you just simply use these icons, which is convenient, leads you to the place that you need to do the task. So the Zoom over here is our online lecture. I deliver online lecture every Wednesday and Friday from 1 to 2 p.m. The reason I didn't do it on Monday was because we have lab on Monday, and I'm most likely that you will be rushing to the classroom, and if I do the lecture, then you don't have much time and to come to the lab. And also I have to prepare some of the lab material as well. So most of the Monday material, if necessary, I will pre-record it. I will put it online. For the Wednesday and Friday, it's mainly to summarize the topics that you need to learn, and we will do some examples. From the previous experience when we do this online teaching, a lot of students suggest that I should do some more example, especially for the problem solving. So we will do that on Wednesday and Friday the most. And if possible, I wish that all of you can join us because it's really important that you have the chance to meet with me and let me know if you have any questions. And we will do some breakout room on Wednesday and Friday so you guys can work on the problem after I introduce some example. When you actually doing the homework and actually doing the problem, that is the where you learn the most. So if you could come on Wednesday and Friday, that would be the best way to learn and to success in this class. The office hour is Monday to Thursday, and it's from 10 to 11 a.m. Um, there's a link, the study guide. When we have an exam, I will release the study guide a week before the exam. So you can click on the study guide to get the information related to the exam. The discussion is a new things that I started at when we deliver content online. Because we don't have much time to interact, I wanted to give you a chance, then I'll post some of the questions that you have to answer it in the discussion forum. The discussion normally will have two stages. The first stage is that you have to post what you think about the prompt and you answer it by Friday midnight. And you have to reply to your peers' post before the Sunday midnight. So if you do that, then you will get the credit. The honor section, if necessary, I'll put some material in this honor section area so you can click on those things and maybe some of the practice problem or some of the video related to the problem solving that we will put over here. All the video has a passcode. This should be 121, so I will change this. So you use the PHYS at 121 will be the passcode if they require you to enter a passcode. I will also put some of the example video that I recorded over here. So if you wanted to find some video about the problem solving, then this will be the place that you can take a look. All the course will be arranged like a weekly agenda. So whenever you come, whenever you want to start with the course, you look at agenda, and each one of the week, we will start with a study guide actually for you to learn this week material. So I will post the link. I'm still working on that. When you come into here, you're going to see a link. It's going to be like a module. The first link is going to tell you the objectives of this chapter and what you expect to finish for this week, and including the lab and the discussion and the homework, etc., etc. Some of the material might be coming from the web, so I will refer you to some of the useful video that you can watch, and some of the video I will record it by myself. So that's pretty much that you have to do for this course. The grading is going to break down to several things that you can check the syllabus once you have the ability to log into our course website. I think that's about it, and I'm looking forward of seeing you Monday. So since I'm not going to host lecture on Monday, so I guess I will see you in person, which is very special on the first day of our semester on campus. Again, if you are in 121H, you coming earlier, so please come in at the 2:30, and the our lab is PS19, so it's a physics building and room 19. If you are like the regular section 121, then you coming at 4:30. Okay, you coming at the 4:30. So first group coming at the 2:30 p.m. and the second group coming at the 4:30 p.m. One thing I forgot. So you also require to get a lab menu. So when you come into the lab, before you come to the lab, please go to the bookstore and pick up a lab menu. It's about like $5. This is very cheap. So please pick up a lab menu before you come to the class, and um, you're gonna enjoy our lab. It's kind of fun for the first one. We're gonna learn something about electrostatics. All right. Nice talking to you guys, and I'll see you in person on Monday. Bye bye.